Okay, guys, so hi to everybody. How are you? I hope you're doing great because today is the time for our test trading session in the main channel. So we're gonna start step by step. It was the post that I planned before, just posted. So we start with the setting of everything. First of all, it's the time of the expiration is going to be 3 minutes. Amount of money per trade, use 1%. It's better to use 1%. Then candles aim to. Wait a second, I'm going to text it with capital letters. Candles aim to, perfect. And for the indicators, I'm using this today. Indicators. It's a zigzag. But actually I don't use zigzag too much. It just also for you to see support resistance levels pretty easily. MACD, RSI with the default settings, I didn't change there anything, so everything as usual. Now I'm gonna look for the currency pair to open the first trade. I remind you guys that we follow the trades here in the chat, and here on the live stream you can just check it out how the trade is going. You can just ask any questions that you have in your mind or something. So that's how we can talk, and at the same time you can follow the signals, but again we follow it from the chat here, so it will be no delay. Okay, so now I'm looking for the best currency pair. Euro/GBP is not that bad actually. Trying to find on the real market. Here could be a good downward trend, but we're gonna check it out after. Here also, we can see some corrective candles there for now. Here, pretty big volatility, not the best. Let's check it out, something else. Here could be a good downward trend because of the pound. It's everywhere like this. Here, too much volatility. And here already the payout is 77%, so it's not the best. Okay. And Euro/GBP is pretty good, but we can see some corrective candle here. Here we also have the corrective candle. But okay, we're gonna use Euro/GBP. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna do a poll if you're ready or not. That's how we'll know that you all chose the currency pair, and you set up all of the settings, like the time of the expiration, amount of money per trade. Hope it's not gonna be a sideways movement here. That is like the new resistance level here created, and it will go in the downward direction now. Let me check the signals here. Well, we need to wait a little bit here for the confirmation of the trend. Okay, let me see how many votes. Okay, perfect. So, okay, it's more fluctuating in the upward direction for now. Now again reversing. Okay, be ready. I'm gonna open a signal down. Okay, we open a trade. I'm gonna send you the screenshot. As you can see, first I send a signal after I open a trade, so that's how we have like a difference of like 2 seconds between my signal and me opening a trade. So that's how we open a trade with you at the same exact time, because you do the same. You open a trade, you see the signal, and only after you open a trade, so you have like 1-2 seconds between that. So that's why I do the same, because so yeah. Let's wait here. wait, it's going pretty well. So now I'm only checking the comments because I was just more focused on our opening a trade. So let me check that. Hi Lisa, hi. I'm gonna text you a comment. Hey, where are you from? Let's guys talk a little bit. Let's wait. Okay, just 15 seconds for now. And we close the straight in a plus. Sorry, I was just making the video. So I'm gonna send you the video now and also the screenshot. So wait a second. So here we can see it achieved the previous support level, but now it already broke it, so we can open a trade here in the downward direction also. But let's wait a little bit to see if it will break it more confidently. Okay, yeah, we can see that. Perfect. We open a trade here. So let's wait here. I'm here. What's up, everyone? I just want to send out positive vibes and energy for this trading session. Thank you so much. Let's go. Michigan, Greece. Oh, Greece is perfect. Hi, Lisa. I'm in Oklahoma City. Oklahoma. Perfect. From Denmark. Denmark. I know that this is a really nice place. No live. What do you mean no live? Here it is. Here it is. So let's wait here. It's 2 minutes and 1 second. It's kind of closer entry point, but yeah, we had this risk here of reversal because we achieved here the support level, but it went lower than our support level till here. As you can see, there's a pretty big difference, so that's why we open a trade down. But we're gonna see, we still have a lot of time. In case of something, we always can open the catch up. It's fine. Just gonna check the other currency pairs. Here it's pretty nice. It was upward trend before. It was some fast reversal for just 3 candles, but it was continuing moving in the upward direction after. Now it could be a reversal here as well, but we're gonna see. In case we can change to Leif van Her signals channel. Well, it's, yeah, the signals here, and there's a live stream here, just for showing you how the trade is going. Love from Toronto, Lisa. Okay, perfect. Toronto, also a beautiful place. Okay, so we're gonna wait. It's 55 seconds for now. As you can see, it's a bit moving in a upward direction, more than we expected, definitely. Okay, so we're just gonna wait. Okay, so we'll just change the time to 4 minutes. Wait, I'm gonna do the voice message to the group. So yeah, guys, here as you can see, I opened a trade in the downward direction because it was still continue moving in the downward direction, showing the continuation of the downward trend. And it even crossed the previous support level. But after, when we already opened a trade, it reversed in the upward direction. Yeah, we had this risk, as we usually have. It's absolutely normal. But yeah, but here it reversed, and probably not gonna close this trade. So we're gonna open here, catch up, or maybe on the other currency pair. I'm still thinking. Okay, so we change our amount of money. Change to 4 minutes. Ready? Okay, now I'm sending a signal and we open a trade up for 4 minutes already as a catch up here, because we can see start moving in the upward direction more. See also the green pin bars on the MACD. The line of RSI start moving a little bit out of the oversold zone, but still not that confident, of course, because it's just the start. Always fluctuates a bit, so that's why we took more time here in case of this kind of the situation. So we just kind of wait. I'm gonna check some other currency pairs just in case. Here, as you can see, it's pretty good upward trend, yeah, but it's a lot of the corrective candles happens, so it can change any second as well. I'm gonna save this one just for later. Yeah, here, as you can see, it's reversed again in the downward direction, even though it achieved the previous support level, started reversing. We can see also the green pin bars, but sometimes it's happening also. So let's just wait. We still have actually 2 minutes and 40 seconds, and it's still not that far away. So we have a chance here to close the trade. As you can see, there's a green candle appeared on the chart now. So we're just gonna wait. If for 1.5 minutes it could go that low, could reverse also in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. But we're gonna wait here. Yeah, the real market is not making us too much happy today. You can see a lot of the fluctuations there. So I'm gonna check the OTC market also. Okay. This one I put here so I can just check it out. Let me see. No, it's still going in a downward direction. Okay. Okay, let's just wait. It's also pretty close to the previous support level. Yeah, it's already achieved that. So you can also reverse from this level for now because it was pretty strong support level here. That's why I'm thinking to change to the other currency pair. Okay. It broke even the previous support level. Oh my god. Crazy. Okay, we're gonna open a trade here again. The payout is already 92%. It's pretty good. And I decided to open a trade here down again because, as we can see, it broke the previous support level. So it's showing that the sellers is pretty strong here. And I understand that for everybody it's pretty difficult to change every time the currency pairs, and while we wait for everybody to change it, also it takes a lot of time. So here we open a trade as well, and I'm gonna do the voice message. So I got about, oh wait a second. So yeah guys, about the previous trade, it was kind of tricky because we can see it achieved the previous support level, started reversing in an upward direction as we waited. We opened a trade up after the confirmation, but it started reversing again in the downward direction and went lower and lower and lower, and it even broke the previous really strong support level for now. So that's why I decided to open here a sell trade again for 4 minutes to give it more time. Already in the right direction. Of course, there's still the risks of the corrective candles and everything, but we're just gonna wait. Now we're in the plus. It's 2 minutes and 51 seconds, but it's fluctuating a lot. But yeah, this is the real market, and it's a lot of the fluctuations happens. But I know that a lot of you is asking me also a lot to trade on the real market more, and of course I'm always trying to choose the ordinary real market currency pairs when I have the chance, when it's a really good trend, as it was here actually in the start, but it was just changing a lot. It was a bit tricky. It's also okay for the market because that's why it's so challenging, and not so many people get into that because they understand that this is not that easy how it looks like sometimes. So yeah, and now we have 2 minutes and 12 seconds, but you probably already have less while you listening to this voice message, of course. So yeah, let's just wait, and we're gonna see. So I'm just doing the voice messages for the Telegram, so the people that doesn't look at the live stream also can understand what's going on. So yeah, let's wait here. It's a lot of the reactions you give me. So let's wait here. And we close the straight and plus. Wait a second, I'm gonna send you the screenshot now. Here it is. And the video as well. So we stay at the same currency pair. Be ready. We changed to 3 minutes. Down for 3 minutes. I'm gonna send. Okay, perfect. And we open a trade here. I'm gonna send you the screenshot. Okay, perfect. And we're gonna wait here as well. So we have just 2 minutes and 5 seconds. So we have just 1 minute and 21 seconds. So guys, we can see here we got some corrective candle, but now start reversing again in the downward direction. It's 1 minute and 10 seconds till the end of the trade. It's a kinda interesting chart, definitely, but it's the real market, especially euro slash British pound. It's absolutely normal sometimes, especially a lot of the news and everything. So we still have time. We're pretty close to our 3 points. So let's see. Now we're in the plus, by the way. And we close this trade. Okay, perfect. Minus 22 points. That's great. Here it is. So, oh, the payout is already 55%. So, let's check it out, the other currency pair. Here's pretty good one. Okay. Looking for the new currency pair. Wait a second. So. Wait a second, I'm gonna check the real market, but here's not that many things actually that we can choose. As you can see, here's a lot of the fluctuations in the real market, so it's not actually a good choice, I think. Here is pretty good downward trend, but we're pretty close to the previous support level, so it has some risks as well. Okay, so we're gonna check it out something else. Okay, but for now, Australian dollar and US dollar is actually one of the best choice. So let's choose this one. Okay, I'm gonna do the pull. So guys, I'm waiting for you to vote and choose this currency pair. So here, as you can see, it looks like the start of the reversal because it almost achieved the previous support level here. But we're gonna wait for the more confirmation because yeah, there's a green candle appeared on the chart, but yeah, you can see it. Be ready for a signal up for 3 minutes. Okay, we open a trade here. So let's wait. It's going pretty well. And we close it straight in a plus. Perfect. I'm gonna send you the photo and the video after. Okay. Wait, and the video. Yeah, it's finally uploaded. Okay, good. Good. So here we can see it start fluctuating a little bit. So let's check it out, maybe something else. Here's a pretty good downward trend that's going for a long time, but also that means that it could be a reversal any moment. So let's wait just a little bit. It's pretty good upward trend, but it's not that strong yet. So I'm looking. A bit lagging here. Okay. Here's a pretty good start of the downward trend. I'm gonna save it as well, and after I'm gonna choose from the best currency pairs. close to our support level there. Okay, check it out. Here's a pretty good one, but yeah, it's pretty close to our support level here, so it's kind of riskful. Here's pretty good start of the downward trend it could be. Okay, we choose this currency pair. Here's a pretty good start of the downward trend. Oh, it's lagging a little bit. So. Where is it? Here. Okay, be ready to open signal down. Don't open yet. Okay. And here we open a trade. Boom, boom. So let's wait here. It's a bit went higher, but we're waiting for the reversal in the downward direction here. So let's wait. So let's wait 55 seconds here. Okay, it went a little bit higher. As we can see here, it's unexpectedly reversed in the upward direction, even though it was a pretty good start of the downward trend, and we're still far away from our previous support level. But yeah, it reversed in the upward direction. Okay, sometimes it's happened, of course, but now we're gonna check it out, either the other currency pair, because if it's gonna be the upward trend, it's not that far away from the previous resistance level, so it's not that great as well. So yeah, this one we don't close in the plus, unfortunately, even though I believed in this kind of the currency pair, but it's fine. Let me just check it out the other ones and give after back to you other information. Okay, here as we can see, unexpectedly in reverse in the upward direction. So yeah, we change here to 4 minutes. Wait a second. And we're gonna open a trade down again. Send you the signal, and we open a trade as a catch up. 40 for 4 minutes. Okay, perfect. And we're gonna wait here. So, let's wait. So we wait. So it's 2 minutes and oh wow, it's lagged a little bit. Okay, let's wait. Okay, slide a little bit. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. This one we close in a plus. That's great. Okay, I think we made pretty good result, guys. We just started with 1K and we were trading with just $10 per trade, so I think it's pretty good. Here it is. So yeah, guys, that's it. I think that was pretty good. We had a lot of the trading trades today, and we closed a lot of them also. We're of course changing a lot of the currency pairs and everything, but this is just a part of that. It's absolutely normal. So yeah, so thank you so much, everybody. If you have any questions, you're always welcome in the private